Says try to reconnect. All right, here we go. All right, good evening, everybody. How are you? Hey, look at these pretty guests here tonight. Whoop, whoop. Okay, y'all give them a hand. Clap, yay. Okay, so we are starting our recipe night. Thank you for joining us in Facebook land, and I appreciate all of the people that are here tonight joining us live so that they can not only see the recipes, but they can smell them and eat them. You don't get to do that. Okay, but we are going to be talking a lot about some new products. It is a summer and spring product debut, so make sure to take notes, and if you have questions, please make sure to message me, okay? If you are on watching and you're not a consultant, because we have consultants as well as customers, you can order tonight. Anything that you want to order, just make sure to go ahead and message me. Be happy to help you with that. And if you have a particular question that you need answered about a product or anything that you see us do tonight, please make sure to message that as well. If you'd like to get a copy of tonight's recipes, I'll send you a link so that you can also get that as well, okay? So without any further ado, our show is 6:30 to 8:30. So we're going to smile and wave, okay? We are starting a little bit late because we kind of did like a little team prelude as we get started tonight. And I'm so excited to have my team. We have the Reeves team family reunion. And there we go. We also want to shout out to our Reeves team in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And we look forward to seeing you guys soon. And hopefully you guys will be watching this video. And if you're not live watching it, you'll be able to catch up and watch it at a later time. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm going to adjust the camera just a couple of times, okay? All right, and now we are going to turn the camera rather, to the table. And I know some of our guests are like, no, I don't want to be on here. But I've already had them sign their permission slip, so I can use their face on my video. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit, and I'm going to try to pick some things up as we are talking about some of the new products. I'm super excited about all of the cookware, okay? All of the cookware has been redesigned. Yay. Yay. We also have a brand new line of stainless steel non-stick Joan, okay? And this is a 12-inch skillet, and I'm getting reverb. I want y'all to feel how lightweight the skillet is. Now, for consultants tonight that are watching, as well as my consultants here that are being trained tonight, I usually have my chicken already in this pan or whatever prior, to the show starting. But I just wanted them to be able to feel how lightweight the pan is without anything in it, and it's a 12-inch pan. Now, it's pretty, what do you think?
Very light.
It's not a cast iron skillet by any means, was it, Joe?
No,
okay?
I have the heavy one.
You have the heavy one, and that's not fun, is it? Another thing that I want to let everybody know is all of our cookware now has no rivets on the handles, okay? So on the inside of the pan, and so that everybody can get a good look at it here, there are no rivets. Hello, Kelly. I'm so excited you're with us. She's from Clayton, North Carolina. She's a great customer. Always get to see her in Spring Hope. But let me know what you think about this pan, too, at the end of tonight's show. I'll try not to spray everybody. Okay. Michael, he's so stupid. Okay. All right. So there are no rivets on the pan. So when you bake a cake now, Denise, you don't have, a pinch out of the cake. All right, which is pretty cool. This is also dishwasher safe. If that don't light your fire, your wood's with. It's also oven safe, okay? And we're actually tonight going to sear some meat in this pan so you guys can see how it sears. And we're not going to add any oil. We're not going to add any butter. So we are doing and I forgot to say this a moment ago, we're doing a fresh, fast, and healthy show tonight. So you will not have to add anything to this if you don't want to, okay? Which is awesome. Joan, you can also wipe this out with a paper towel when we get through with it. Oh, yeah. So for everybody out here, and I'm doing this number because I know I've got my camera level a little bit better, adjusted it a little bit. Let me do this right here. Maybe not. See, that was what Kathy Kern would say. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to mess with you. Okay, let me just raise the camera up a little bit. See, I just want to encourage all the consultants real quick, as far as everybody watching and the consultants on my team, just have fun with these Facebook Live videos. You're not perfect, you're just pampered, okay? So don't be scared, because people do care about what you have to say if you have something good enough for them to hear. But anyway, this will clean out with a paper towel, so you don't have to Oh my gosh, let me soak this overnight, Jerry. So ask the Lord to bless it tonight so we can clean it the next day. Because everybody's had that kind of pan. Like, why in the world did they get that pan out at Thanksgiving? I thought we destroyed that after last year and we had to take a chisel to it, okay? So anyway, another great feature to this, these work on induction stoves. So Kathy, Denise, everybody watching, a lot of people want the stainless steel look. Isn't it beautiful? We can get a thumbs up, get some hearts if y'all think my pan's pretty, okay? Because it is. It also comes with the lid. Hallelujah, thank you, Jesus. A lot of people used to have to buy a pan at a show tonight and then buy the lid later. But now, everything, look at them laughing. They're seasoned membership. They know what I'm talking about. So now it comes with the lid, okay? So there's my hearts. There's my little thumbs up, Kathy, that people are giving me. So they do think the pan's pretty. So a couple of things about this. Dishwasher safe, okay? Nothing sticks. Now I want y'all to get a close look at this pan. This pan has already been used at 14 shows, okay? It's already been used for everything from eggs to searing meat to cooking vegetables. It also is oven safe, okay? So it's going to go in the oven tonight. It's going to go on the stove top. Yes, you can use it on ceramic, you can use it on gas, you can use it on coil electric, and you can use it on induction stoves. And that's a really important feature because a lot of people that remodel or go into induction, and then they don't have any cookware they can use on it. This comes in a 12-inch size right now and a 10-inch pan, okay? So that is why you want to have this, all right? So we'll put this over here, and I have some non-stick pans right here that I want to talk about. And two things about the non-stick cookware. One, it's all dishwasher safe. You can put the new non-stick, not the prior non-stick, but this non-stick goes in the dishwasher. Woo! Okay? Also, the handle's removed from the pans. Now, I'm going to show y'all, and we're going to try, what we'll do is we'll turn the camera back towards the oven in a minute, because people are like, well, I don't care. Why do I care if the handle comes off? Well, I have a customer over in Kittrell who specifically told me, she said, Michael, I wish y'all would invent a pan that the handle would come off so that I can get this grill pan, the regular size grill pan, in the center of my oven. Well, Miss Betty, boom, here it is. The panels come off like that, so now it can go in the center of the oven. Well, if that don't light your fire, your wood's wet. Also, that's going to get out of the way when you do put it in the dishwasher. Now, I know Joan has this question, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it. Joan, the pan is made in Germany, handle's made in China. This is our new international non-stick cookware sold in the United States. You like that, didn't you? Okay. And another great thing, okay, so their dishwashers say, I'm going to have a good time even if y'all don't. I'm going to have a good time if y'all don't. All the cookware is available open stock. So there are no more, well, I need a 3-quart pot, you know, and you got to buy a 7-piece set.
Right, okay.
Now, if that didn't set some of y'all free, I don't know what will, because a lot of y'all are pampered chef. Even Kathy's been in the business. She will be celebrating 14 years in July in the business, okay? And she has always had somebody ask her all the time, I just want that one pan. Can I split it up? Can you just get that one pan for me? So now the answer is yes, absolutely. If they want a 2-quart, they want the new 10-inch, they want the 8-inch. So just know that these pans do work on all the surfaces and the handles come off. Now another great thing here is this is the 12-inch family size skillet, okay? And do y'all notice something too about these cookware pieces? They kind of have a cast iron look to them, don't they? Yeah. Okay? So that look is coming back, okay? And this pan, now I want y'all to feel this pan.
That one's really deep, too.
This one is deeper. So I'm glad that Kathy brought that up because that was the next thing that I wanted to talk about. Yes, you do, don't you? The next thing I wanted to bring up about this 12-inch versus this 12-inch is that this is a deep pan and this is more of a saute side, okay? So there is a little bit of a difference. So if you're looking for a pan that's going to hold a tremendous amount of food, or a deep dish lasagna,
That's a grandma pan.
then this right here. Now don't beat your husband with this, okay? We don't want anybody going to prison for beating their husband with it. But also,
I'm not going to turn on the video when I'm
you're not gonna. Oh, she's not gonna turn on the video when she. Oh, well, we don't promote domestic violence. Let's just pray for her. She's a preacher. You gotta watch them church, baby. Okay. So anyway, I do want to show you a close up how the handles come off. Okay. So there is a button right here that you press in, and then you slide that back. Did everybody see that? All right. So you press this button in like this. And slide this back, okay? So that's how you do that. Press the button, slide it back. That's how you release it. Press the button, slide it back. Can't say that enough times because when you first do it, and we'll see Jerry doing it in a little while, you'll be like, I can't get it out. You know, sometimes it's just like typical Pampered Chef products. We need that extra little tip, right, to help us. So another great feature, let's just pretend that this is the oven. We're almost ready to cook for all of y'all that are getting really anxious, like, when's he gonna cook? Okay? If you will, let's pretend like this is the oven, Joan. The lids also go in the oven up to 400 degrees if you need to put them in there because they're tempered glass. All right, let's just pretend this is our oven, folks. So Kathy's got that in the oven, and she takes the handle off and releases that right in the oven. Okay? Now, this is the part you're gonna like. Now, this is just a convenience thing, okay? This that I'm showing you. Because all this is, the pan is ready, right? The oven's going off, Denise's like, oh, I gotta get my pan out there, I gotta get my pan. So all she's got to do is like this. See, Joan said, that's what's gonna happen to me, and I'm gonna get burned. Okay, boom, you put that back on there and grab that right out the oven. Well, shut the gate, ain't the bar red. Is that not off the chain? Okay, wonderful. Okay, so let me show you something else. Joan is a cooker, and she likes to eat. Okay, this is our new, what's the proper name for this pan? Multi-use pot, I think that's what it's called, okay? I call it the 9-quarter because there is a 9, this one is 9 quarts. Holds 9 quarts. Now there's also a 5 1/4 quart, so there's one that's a little bit smaller. But this is what I like about it. Now these handles, Jerry, don't come off of this pot, okay? So that doesn't work that way. This lid, though, is set upright like here, Joan, so that allows steam to escape. So you don't have the ka-chug. You know, and sometimes y'all do your lids like this. I know they've done it like this in Facebook land. Put your lid on like that, you left the room or whatever, you came back. Woo, she done slid back and made a mess. You got a volcanic eruption going on, okay? So that allows you to do that. Now, you can't have a sealed lid, too, Denise, just by moving it away from those little places right there where the lid will latch to it, okay? Now, another great part, and I know that wasn't proper English, Nancy Joe Ryan, whatever, y'all can just correct me about that later. But this is the new collapsible colander / steamer. Now, I love this too because this can go in this pot and we can do crab legs or we can do, you know, seafood boil or whatever we want to do. Or we can just take this right out, put it in the sink as our colander. And for people with small kitchens, if that don't light your fire, you ain't even got a log in the chimney, okay? Because this is totally collapsible, and that way you don't have like a whole bunch of colanders stacked up, right? Because it can be any size you want it to be, Kathy. Okay. Oh, I just want to do a little broccoli. Well, you need the rice cooker, 2779. But that's a great feature about this pot, okay? And this is sold separately, all right, everybody? So you can buy this individually, or you can buy this with this pot too, okay? All right, so the last thing we're going to talk about as far as what's on the table here, are y'all excited about the cookware?
Yes.
Because there's really, it's what? I think it's gorgeous myself, but it's also very versatile. Okay, so somebody in the house has got me on their phone. Okay, anywho, this is the last thing I'm going to talk about, and then we're going to do our recipe. By the way, folks, our recipe tonight, we are doing roasted chicken and asparagus, which actually is a vegetable medley. It is a fresh and healthy recipe in our new Season's Best. Where is that Season's Best cookbook? Yeah. That's item number 2089. There's the Season's Best Jerry's got in her hand. Let's get a little up close and personal. Look at this right here. If you're looking for something different, then go ahead and get this, item number 2089. Now, I have somebody that's sitting at the table who's wanting to know, can they see through that green box? Yes, Kathy, this don't even pay that green box no mind. Okay? Look, there's all the people watching. Your live viewers, okay? We're also doing a little IT training, okay, for our people. So thank y'all so much for joining us tonight. Okay, so anyway, this is the last thing I want to show y'all. And you know how we are at Pepper Chef. We have these long names for products sometimes. And so this is the stainless steel rotating utensil holder. And I'm just going to add the word deluxe. It's item number 2013. But the center comes out like this, and you'll see one over here in just a minute that has a whole lot of tools in it. So don't judge a book by its cover and think it's not going to hold a lot of tools. It also, Kelly, has a spoon rest. Let me turn it around like this so I can pull out the spoon rest. Boom. There's your spoon rest right there. So now you're able to pull your spoon rest out, put your new utensil in here. All the utensils have been upgraded. We've got stainless steel. We've got teak wood, but Joan, and teak wood is one of the most durable woods out there to stand against water. So yes, it goes in the dishwasher and you can put it in your stew pot and you don't come back and she's gone and melted away, or this ain't gonna melt but disintegrated, okay? And then we have all these new fresh colors in the black, what was the black nylon tool set. These are the same tools.
That looks good with the cutting mats.
It does, and there's a set in the book now to where they can buy the colored set, and it's really pretty cool with all the mats and the spoons and all that good stuff. Okay, so we're having a good time. Is this going to be in y'all's way to see, or is that good? Okay, so we're going to have a great time. Well, we're already having a great time. I hope that you are, okay? So let's see if we can get this off of the screen. Okie dokie. All right. I'm going to learn something too tonight. So Kathy's excited about that. All right, let's just adjust the camera. Okay, so I'm going to stand over here. Pull this way so that you guys can see what's going on. So hopefully you can see. Now, if somebody says I can't see, please let me know if you can't see. Cancel.